We'll guide you through how to manage your Zapier contacts efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, click on the My Apps tab, located on the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll manage all of your connected apps and contacts. Next, you'll see the apps you have connected to Zapier. Find the app that contains the contacts you want to manage. Click on it to access its settings. For example, if you're managing contacts from Google Contacts, find Google Contacts in your list. Now, look for the Manage Contacts option in the settings. This might vary slightly depending on the app, but generally, you'll find options to add, update, or remove contacts. If you want to add a new contact, click on the Add Contact button and fill in the necessary details like name, email, and phone number. To update a contact, you can select the contact from the list and choose Edit to make changes. If you need to remove a contact, simply select the contact and click Delete or Remove. Remember to save any changes you make to ensure they're updated in your connected app. It's a good idea to periodically review your contacts to keep them up to date and organized. This can help improve the efficiency of your workflows and ensure you're communicating with the right people. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.